So a partner of ours approached us because they have an annual application process and they were feeling overwhelmed by the errors that they were continuing to run into year after year and how the application process was originally built out. So a high level overview, students were sent a link, student filled out the form in form assembly. This was built with an old version of form assembly, so there was a lot of different formulas and it worked, but it was very hard to adjust and tweak year after year. After students filled out their form, email alerts were sent out to both the student and the parent and guardian. The parent guardian had a link that they clicked on that they completed their side of the application process. After the student and the parent filled out the application, Copilot automated the application score, and then coaches and advisors went in and made decisions in terms of were the students accepted into the program or not. And then there was a mail merge done at the end to let the students know were they accepted into the program or not. So that's a just high level overview of the old process. So hopefully you enjoy this picture here. Some of the challenges were it required frequent updates year after year. In working with this partner, there were tweaks that we had to make. It was going down rabbit holes to try and figure out what piece was causing the error. It took up time and ultimately it created bottlenecks during the application process, which was frustrating for the staff and the students and parents filling out the form. It was very much dependent on a consultant who originally built the workflow, who is no longer available. So there were gaps in the process in terms of how it was built, what was being utilized, staff turnover. So it hindered being able to quickly troubleshoot and enhance the process. And there was a lot of different things existing in different silos. You had some things in workflow, you had some things in process builder, some flows built, some email templates. It was hard to just make updates to one and figure out what the ramification was going to be for other processes. And ultimately, it was just outdated. It needed to be updated and brought into something new that was more efficient and streamlined.